everybody was like, oh, finally, Vandaruma, will we actually release the film April 10? அப்படி இப்படின்னு கிண்டல் பண்ணாங்க ஆனால் டிலே ஆகுறதுக்கு காரணம் it's just that we wanted to give the best product to our audience, and for that our team has spent so much effort. I am proud to be a part of this film more than anything because so much effort has gone into every little detail. Tech students எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ஆக்சுவலாக பிரதீப்க்கு அப்புறம் வர்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக தான் இருக்குது. ஏன்னா மேட்சப் எனக்கு பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஆகாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஐம் ஃபீலிங் அ லிட்டில் ப்ரெஷர்ட் ரைட் நவ். ஆனாலும் I have a lot of people to thank, so I'm just gonna power through. லைக் பற்றி பேசுகிறப்போ எப்போவுமே நான் சொல்கிறது என்னென்னா, இது வந்து for me it's one of my most special films that I've ever done, and to be part of a film like this career ivlo earlier, I feel so grateful. So thank you so much Vignesh sir for making me Dheema, for making me part of this film. And in the film Moolama na I've had the opportunity to work with some of the greatest artists that we have, Mutturaj sir, Pradeep bro, and Ravi Varman sir. Ellarume solradhu endana, this is my best look till date, and I completely agree. It's all thanks to Ravi Varman sir's lighting. Gauri sonna madri avara frame la irukkiradhu is everybody waits to be part of his frame, and I'm really really grateful. Vignesh sir, I don't know how I can thank you enough because I genuinely feel in my career this is going to be one of my most memorable films, and already ellarume enna Dheema inda koopidranga. Thank you so much for that. A little credit goes, not a little, a lot of credit goes to Anirudh also. Because of the lovely song, people started calling me Dheema, so credits to you. And it's நான் ஆக்சுவலாக அவருக்கு இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் மெசேஜ் பண்ணியிருந்தேன் அனிருத்க்கு few years ago. Constantly he's my top artist on Spotify. To get to work with him, I feel really good. I think a lot of people are agreeing there in the back. So coming back to Vicky sir, நிறைய பேர் படம் பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் they said that my performance was very consistent as Dheema, and I think all credits to you sir. ஏன்னா எப்போவுமே the effort you put in to bring that character out, not என் கேரக்டர் மட்டும் இல்லை எல்லா கேரக்டர்லேயுமே the research that you've put, it made every character stand out, and for me as a viewer I really enjoyed the movie. So thank you sir. And in the release date April 10th in solrapo, everybody was like, oh, finally Vandaruma, will we actually release the film April 10? அப்படி இப்படின்னு கிண்டல் பண்ணாங்க ஆனால் டிலே ஆகுறதுக்கு காரணம் it's just that we wanted to give the best product to our audience, and for that our team has spent so much effort. I am proud to be a part of this film more than anything because so much effort has gone into every little detail. நீங்கள் இப்போது லைக் ஷேர் அண்ட் காமெண்ட் கேட்பீங்கல்ல. what I like about the film the most is the kind of detailing and effort that has gone in. So hats off to our team, each and every one of you who've spent so much time looking into all those little details. I know how much has gone into it. Tomorrow, I'm hoping the audience will also see it and enjoy it. That's what we're all hoping for. And Pradeep, அவர் இப்போ தான் கொஷின் கேட்குறப்போ he said he's proud of his journey. Seeing your journey, ஏன்னா நம்ம படம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறப்போ Dragon and Dude had not come out. So I feel like I've seen your journey a little bit. And I'm really, really proud of it also. Because I think you're really, really deserving. And you're not just an actor, you've proved yourself as a star also. அது வந்து like you said, to come alone and do all that, it's not easy. So hats off to you. One of my most favorite people, Gauri, a girl's girl. It was such a pleasure to work with you. Thank you for always being there for me on set and always making sure that I'm good and happy. Malvika ma'am, such a pleasure to work with you. Seeman sir, SJ Surya sir, SJ Surya sir, I'm a really, really huge fan of, since actually, really big fan since Manadu. Na Venkat Prabhu sir could have worked Pandrapu. I used to ask him to make me meet him once because I really think he's a terrific performer. And to get to work with him is an honor, but to get to experience what he puts in his work is another huge pleasure because இப்போ நம்ம young actors ஆயிருக்கோம், but he is such a super senior in the industry. ஆனாலும் every single day அவர் போடுற efforts பார்த்தா you feel like it's his first day on a set. It's really, really crazy to experience all that. I'm really grateful to have worked with him. Nama producers, Nayantara ma'am and Lalit sir, it's not an easy film to make, you know, to bring out the future. Nama ipo or period film pandrona, we have historical facts or something to refer to. On a future nala, everything is created and it's really expensive also. So for being pillars of support to this film, thank you to our producers as well. I don't know if I'm forgetting someone, but if I am, I'm really, really sorry. Thank you so much.
கிருத்தி உண்மையாலுமே அவ்வளோ அழகாக இருக்காங்க. நானும் தீபக்கும் அதான் வந்து பேசிகிட்டு இருந்தோம், ஷீ ரியல் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. ஹவு பியூட்டிஃபுல் யூ ஆர். அங்கே பசங்கள்லாம் உங்களை கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸாக பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு வந்து ஆசைப்படுவாங்க. மேபி ஒரு ரேம்ப் வாக் எங்களுக்காக.
நானும் ஆசைப்படுறேன். I would love to come see all of you a little closer. நிறைய பேர் தெலுங்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்ல. ஸோ தெலுங்கு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்காக బాగున్నారా? எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஐ விஷ் யூ ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். எக்ஸாம்ஸ் முடிஞ்சிருச்சா? இல்லையா? நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக். கேட்கல, ஆனால் டைம் இருந்தால் முடியல. ఓకే, తెలుగులో పేసనుమా? ఓ, తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలా? ఇంటిని చాలా మిస్ చేస్తున్నారా? ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. టైం இருந்தா ప్లీజ్ గో అండ్ వాచ్ LIK. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ ನಮ್ಮ జనరేషన్కి you'll really, really connect and relate to the film. And I also wanted to mention all the technicians and our direction department as well as an honorable mention. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.